Hi, my name is Bohan Chen. You can also call me Benson. I'm a graduate student from National Changhua University of Education. It's my honor to introduce my study for you. Today, my paper topic is Employee Engagement and Organizational Citizenship Behaviors, Moderating Role of Abusive Supervision. Okay, first of all, let me show you two videos. They will help you get into the mood of this article. Okay. The question number 1. If this man was your supervisor, how would you feel? You may feel angry or upset. How would you feel about that? Okay. The question number 2. If you were that employee, what would your thoughts be? If the man on the right hand of this video was your supervisor, what would your thoughts be? Every supervisor wants highly engaged employees, and highly engaged employees always outperform others in their work. Work on time, be kind to colleagues, problem solving, or never give up are their characteristics. However, they will not always be effective. For example, when they are treated unfairly. Therefore, the issue of how to sustain the performance of highly engaged employees is an urgent one for managers. This is my conceptual framework. Employee engagement is defined as a positive motivational state of vigor, engagement, and absorption. Employee engagement has been found to correlate positively with commitment, performance, and health. Engaging employees may also display more organizational citizenship behaviors, aka OCB. The present study contributes to the literature by examining a boundary condition of the engagement OCB relationship, abusive supervision. Given that abusive supervision represents subordinate perceptions of the extent to which supervisors engage in the sustained display of hostile verbal and nonverbal behaviors, abusive supervision may inhibit the positive effect of engagement on OCB. First of all, let's talk about the main effect. Employee engagement is defined as a positive motivational state of vigor, engagement, and absorption. Employee engagement has been found to correlate positively with commitment, performance, and health. According to the past research, engaging employees may also display more organizational citizenship behaviors. Therefore, we propose the hypothesis that the degree of engagement positively influences organizational citizenship behaviors. The next point to discuss is the moderating effect of abusive supervision. According to justice theory, a subordinate who experiences improper supervision may feel that he or she is being unfairly rewarded by the supervisor. They may rebalance their feelings by reducing their work effort. According to social exchange theory, a subordinate who experiences improper supervision is likely to negatively reward his or her supervisors by demonstrating destructive behaviors to regain a sense of personal control. Therefore, regardless of the theoretical perspective, the subordinate will exhibit negative behaviors towards the organization. When supervisors improperly supervise, it discourages highly engaged employees from engaging in organizational citizenship behaviors. Therefore, we propose the hypothesis that abusive supervision moderates the effect of engagement and organizational citizenship behavior. This study used an anonymous online questionnaires as the survey instrument to conduct an empirical analysis of the research questions for cross-sectional intentional sampling. Data were collected from 242 employees from various organizations in Taiwan. Participants filled out the questionnaires regarding abusive supervision, engagement, and OCB. No matter what industry or occupation, there are employees with high or low levels of engagement and situations of abusive supervision. So this questionnaire doesn't restrict the target audience. Simple items are as followed. I feel full energy in my work is used to measure engagement by a 6-point scale. The supervisor said bad things about me to others is used to measure abusive supervision by a 6-point scale. I will take the initiative to help absent colleagues to handle the work is used to measure organizational citizenship behavior by a 5-point scale. There is a significant positive relationship between engagement and organizational citizenship behavior. There is a negative but insignificant relationship between abusive supervision and organizational citizenship behaviors. Abusive supervision is negatively related to engagement. The following results were found after controlling for the effects of gender, age, and educational level on the dependent variables. First, engagement was positively associated with OCB. Second, engagement and OCB was significantly moderated by abusive supervision. From the interaction diagram, it can be found that in the interaction of engagement and abusive supervision, when employees perceive higher levels of abusive supervision, they are more likely to reduce their willingness to exhibit organizational citizenship behaviors. OCB is a crucial component of organizational effectiveness. Employers could promote OCB by enhancing employee engagement. However, results of the present study show that the beneficial effect of engagement may be inhibited by abusive supervision. Hence, employers should pay attention to coach supervisors to refrain from display hostile behaviors to subordinates. Future research are encouraged to examine how other hostile environment cues, such as organizational politics or negative group affective tone, influence the relationship between employee engagement and OCB. It's my presentation today. Thank you for your listening.